All right, so thank all of you for joining us today. Today we are celebrating more than simply changing a name. Every boat has a story, and before this boat became ours, she carried another family through adventures we may never know. Today we honor that history while beginning a new chapter with our family. So I want all the kids, you guys get your clay that you have there.
I'm stuck.
And I had already asked you to make something out of clay with the former boat's name on it. Okay? And this represents the memories that that vessel carried before she became ours. The vessel's name was Nirvana. And Nirvana means a place of happiness, a place without pain. And that boat named Nirvana carried a family on adventures that we don't even know about, we may never know about. So I'm going to ask all of you that we release the name Nirvana with gratitude for all the journeys she has made. And I'm going to ask you guys to step over here and gently toss your clay Nirvana name into the water. And let's just pause for a moment and give some reflection and thought on the family that owned this before us and all the adventures that they had on Nirvana while we release that name back to the sea. All right, so we thank everyone. There are other people who owned this boat before us. It was made in 1984. So we thank everyone who has owned this boat and cared for this boat before us. May those memories remain a part of her story even as a new chapter begins. So now I'm going to invite my mother. Mom, you just stand right where you're at right here, okay? And I'm going to say this real quick. Asher, can I get you to stand here? And I'm going to get you to pull on this forward for me. Okay, can you do that? It is fitting that someone who helped launch my journey in life also now help launch this next chapter in ours. So, Mom, I'm going to ask for you to take this champagne bottle right here. Okay, hold it in your hand as tight as you can. Okay, and Asher, you may want to just now that you got it pulled up here. Hang on, step that way. Step to the end of that white triangle there. Yeah, keep it. And we'll pull it up forward here just for a second. And on the count of three, I'm going to get you to try to swing hard and crack that sucker. Step back, please. Step back and go ahead and give it a shot. Okay. Yep. Try to hit this right here. Ready? Hold on.
You should have got a thinner bottle.
Yeah, if you,
Okay.
I think if you swing from the right, okay, and swing, yeah, there you go. Do it again. Almost. Well, what brand champagne is this?
I don't know. It's a hard one.
Okay. Well, all right. Hang on. Are you running out of steam?
Yes.
Hang on. Well,
Somebody else.
all right. So hang on. Let's see. All right. You did not. You did. There is no dent in this bottle at all. So Eloise, come over here. And Eloise, you're gonna swing. Try to aim. See this thing right here, Eloise, or even down like this. Okay, try hitting that thing like that. It may knock it out of there. I don't know. Let's see. Okay.
Well, try to hit this here right here.
One more, and then we're going to open it and spray it on there. I say swing it from the right and hit that thing like that, but like you gotta take a big swing. All right, I'm gonna let Slugger here take one shot at it.
Do I take a shot?
And we're gonna let Asher take one shot at it, and then we gotta move on because we're running out of. Asher, I think again a swing from the right, and I think that'll have us. Give me just a second, and maybe get it up here for you, okay? All right, step back there, Mom. One more, and then we're just gonna open it. Yay! All right, all right. Hey, all right, okay. Well, and you could just set that down over here, and yeah, that's fine because we will make sure that we pick that up and remove and dispose of that. Great. So now I'm going to get you guys to walk back here. We're going to walk to the back of the boat. All right. I'm terrible with that camera. Sorry, everybody. But let me get this set up just right. All right. So now I want to present the newest member of our family. And to help me to do this, I'm going to ask for Eva and Thomas to come over here, and they're going to remove this. I'm going to pull it up here for you, and then I'm going to get you guys to remove that. So just get ready, get your hands ready. They won't fall. Ready and go. Yay! Congratulations. All right. Good job. So I proudly present to you, this is our boat, Folly. Folly means a blunder or a mistake. And I named the boat Folly because I want you to understand that it's okay for us to make mistakes. It's okay for us to do silly things and be wrong sometimes. And this boat is made for us to learn on. And it may not mean it lasts long, okay? It may not last long, I don't know, because we're going to learn on this boat. But this is for our family, our friends, and everybody that we meet along the way to make mistakes on and learn on, and it's okay. So this is our boat, Folly. Yay, thank you, guys. Yes, thank you. Okay.
I'm sorry I disappointed you guys. I couldn't brush it.
Well, it's all okay. All right, so we'll make a toast here in just a second. So hang on, guys, right there. And I'm going to get Peyton to come help me. And I'm also going to get Thomas. Can you come help me too? Okay. And we're going to bring some drinks down there. Just hold on just a second here. And then just getting some. Just hold on just a second, okay? Oh, it's got one of those. Twist up. Okay. Surely we have something, don't we, that can pop this off. Hang on. Let me see if I can do it like this. Nope. Well, we have a slight problem. I don't have a bottle opener for your stuff. I can't do it. Got it. Okay. Yay. Okay, got it. All right, so yep. Woo! Here's a little bit to the gods below, and then we're going to do this. Okay, hang on. And, all right, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to folly. All right?
Cheers to folly.
Yes, to folly. Oh, boy. Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is good, Nathan.
And that's it for us, guys. Thank you so much. We'll wave bye to you. Thanks for joining us. And we look forward to many adventures on folly.
I hope so.
Absolutely.